Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find your friend in Free Fire. Alright, let's begin. There are two main methods you can use to find and add your friends in Free Fire. For the first method, start by launching the game and tapping on guilds in the top right corner. Join the same guild as your friend to make the process easier. Once you are in the guild, go to the Members section. Here, you will see a list of all the guild members. Simply find your friend's name on the list and tap Add Friend to send them a friend request. The second method involves using your user ID. Tap on your profile in the top left corner of the screen to see your user ID. Ask your friend for their user ID or provide them with yours. Once you have it, tap the Friends icon at the top of the screen. Then tap on the search bar and enter the user ID. After that, press Add Friend to send a request. So that's basically how you can find your friend in Free Fire. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.